Hey guys, my name is Aaron Tark and this is the Python course. Today we are talking about the list slices in the Python. So let's imagine we have a task. Take the list of likes counts, for example, of your posts in Instagram or Twitter. So get a copy of this list. You should not change the original list. This is very important. Then you need to set elements number 4 to 1000. For example, you just want to see 1000 like on your post number 4. And you should print elements number 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's it. So we have a likes count list. This is it. With a naive implementation, we want to make copy of our likes list. And so we are doing new likes equal to likes. This is just our copy. Why not? So after that, we will operate with the copy. So new likes number 4, as we have been set to 1000 likes. Nice. And after that, let's check what we have. And for this, we will print the range from, we will go in like in a cycle, in the loop. For I in range from 2 to 6, we will print the likes elements with the same numbers. But we should do it with the new likes, but we will do it with the likes as well, just to see what happened with our original list. Let's try it. So what we can see is very strange because the original list has been changed as well. Pretty sad. We have been said we should not change the original list. The problem is new likes does not make a copy for us. It's just create a link for the same object inside. So we still have the same object of this list inside and two links to that. One link is called likes and new link called new likes. That's a problem. So let's fix it by using slices. We will fix this and we will make this code very shorter. So to make a new likes a real copy, we should do like that. So slice work by using colons. So we will use the two square brackets and the colons inside. For example, right now it will be the only one colon sign. So after that, this is a real copy. I mean, it's in totally different object. It's not the different link, it's different object. So, and when we will change the element inside this new element, new object, the old object will stay untouched. Let's check it. Yep, so for the first loop, the fourth element is still 50, and for the new list, the fourth element is 1000. Great. What we can do with this code? We have been set take 4 elements from 2 to 5. Let's do it like that. We can do the print without all of that. We'll just take new likes from 2. This is slice. I am saying to 6 because the last number is not included. The first number is included, the last one is not. So let's comment it and try it. Yeah, we have these numbers. So what we can do is what we can do else with this nice slice syntaxes. We can do it like that, and that will mean we are taking the elements from number 2, from the second one. It's the third one, by the way, because it is 0, number 1, number 2, and so on. So, and up to the very end. We have no number here, so that means we will go right to the end. Let's just test it. Yeah, and we can do like that. We can not set the first number and set only the second number and the second index. That will mean we'll go right from the start to the index we set. For example, let's test it. Yeah, it's work. Nice. Another nice feature is step. So this one, we can start from the second, for example, to the 8. with a step of 2. And step of 2 means we are not taking every other element, but we are taking every second element. How it works? Let's see. Yeah, we take the element with index 2. After that, uh, we take the element this one, right? Yeah, this element has been changed to 1000, and after that we take this element, and that's it, because this element we cannot take already, because this number is not included. If we will set it to the 9, we will have the 90 in our output as well. Yeah, that's right. So this is a very powerful stuff. So, and another interesting thing is, let's imagine you want a reverse set list. Reverse set means we just start from the end, from the finish, and goes to the start. So in the naive world, you will have a loop for that and so on, but with our super nice slice syntaxes, oops, sorry for that. Let's remove some garbage. We can do it with the super magic. Check this out. I put the first colon without setting the first element index. That means we are going from the start. I put the second element, the second colon right here because we are going right to the end. And after that, I am making this step number -1. And -1 means we are going with a step backward. Check this out. Nice. We just take the whole list reverse it here. So that's the very beginning of working with the slices with the lists in Python. So stay tuned on our channel, and it will be much more fun in the next videos. Bye bye, guys.